Hey, pet lovers, today, we're talking about some common foods that can be dangerous for your cat. Let's make sure your furry friend stays safe and healthy. 1. Onions and garlic. Onions and garlic, whether raw, cooked, or powder, can cause severe damage to your cat's red blood cells, leading to anemia. 2. Chocolate. Chocolate contains theobromine, which can cause vomiting, diarrhea, rapid breathing, and seizures in cats. 3. Alcohol. Even a small amount of alcohol can lead to liver damage, tremors, and even coma in your cat. 4. Caffeine. Caffeine in coffee, tea, and energy drinks can make your cat restless, increase heart rate, and cause muscle tremors. 5. Grapes and raisins. Even small amounts of grapes or raisins can cause kidney failure, so it's best to keep them away from your cat. Keep your cat safe by avoiding these foods. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more pet care tips.